2022 Toyota Tacoma 2WD. With less than 49,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It features an excellent mix of comfort and handling, along with lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auxiliary input, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Get pre-approved now and make this your next vehicle.